guys, me Phoenix from Phoenix TV. Welcome to Speedcubing and Seaworks 2023. Enjoy. What the living crap was that last line? What are you about to do? I don't know what just happened. I just got 114 average. I'm about to compete in pyramids though, so yeah. 8 seconds. Still faster than me. I've gotten 2. Actually, I haven't got that nerves at all. It's just that.
Bananas.
Yay! In pajamas. Oh, we are now done for the day. As you can see, there is not as many people as there were earlier. Some of the day, results were pretty, excluding 2x2, results were just average. But then 2x2, I'm speechless. I'm absolutely speechless. I can't believe it. The fact that I managed to pull off that average. And yeah, thank you to everyone that supported me throughout the past year or so, ever since I started this journey back in December 2021. That is the final group that has just been announced. Jacob has to borrow my cube, but then after that, off to day 2. That's fine, isn't it, right?
Is it a centerpiece?
It's just a centerpiece. Okay then. Yeah, no internal pieces. We're fine.
Yes.
Yeah, finally in with a 6.
And in first place, with a 1.36 average, also clocking in an OCR average in round 1, was it yesterday? In round no one heard that. In round 1 yesterday, OCR average, and the winner 2x2 is Phoenix Madison. And in first place, winning speaker is Seaworks 2023 with a 6.71 average. Is David Epstein. And thank you everybody.